Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change default search engine in Arc browser. In case you have installed Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC and you want to change the default search engine, for that first open Arc browser on your PC. After that, click on this one Arc icon that says settings. In the drop down menu, click on this one settings option. Under Profiles section, click on this one Default. Here you will see the search engine option. Just click on this one drop down menu, and from here you can choose your desired search engine such as Google. After that, whenever you will search anything under Arc browser, it will be results will be loaded in your particular search engine that you have specified in Arc browser. That's all about this video. Bye.